Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is again about Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. So basically I will be covering two news. So the first news is their recent hiring which came this morning. So I will talk about this hiring and how it can impact PLTR in long term. Also they have an earning date which is coming soon. So how we can play the earning and also about the chart, the support, resistance and the pattern it is forming, and finally support, resistance, and finally some call option or put option how you want to see. So let's start. So again, this is a company, it does not need any introduction because I have been covering this particular stock for a long time. So this is a PLTR. So they work with data, they take the data and they help you to make decision making. So previously looking at previous data, what is happening, what can be happen, and also you can take unstructured data and you can structure, and it has been getting lots of government contract, so which are really good. But the good thing is, like any kind of good news is not affecting this particular stock. But anyway, I will go back there later. So I'm gonna pause that because I found this is a good one because this is a Ferrari and Palantir. So anyway, the news that came this morning, Monday, May 3rd at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, that Palantir announces hiring of first USG Chief Medical Officer. So what's the news? So Palantir today announced that the hiring of Dr. William as its first US government Chief Medical Officer, bringing years of clinical and public health expertise to Palantir as it continues its expansion in the private and public health sectors. Then Dr. Kessler is joining Palantir from IBM Watson Health and worked throughout his career at the intersection of clinical care and population health. He will lead the public health and life science teams across Palantir's USG and international business. I'll just also going through a little bit, not want to go through the entire report. So Palantir has played a key role in mitigating the global COVID-19 vaccine pandemic, supporting more than 100 organizations in their response to the pandemic and helping US and UK with vaccine distribution. Their software has also been used to drug recovery, biotechnology, scientific research, and to mitigate and so on, right? And it talks a lot of things. So basically, just the gist of the thing is, now we know that Palantir has been used, and in the double click event they talked about the cancer research, how it Palantir can work, and also some recent news came how on the medical science data analysis Palantir software is used. So definitely this is a very good announcement, and hiring of this medical officer is a good movement because they have been hiring good good people to their team so that they can make better programming when it is regarding life science. So definitely a very good news, but the thing is how the market is reacting, that is different. So also note that Palantir will announce their first quarter 2021 earning, which will be on May 11th, Tuesday. Today is May 3rd, so still there is 1 week. It will be pre-market. So definitely if you're playing with call option, definitely make sure you end or make a decision on Monday before the market close. And again, I will be broadcasting this particular webinar and conference call. Now let's look at the chart. So first of all, the chart is looking okay because you see it had a massive run up to $45, then came down, and currently you see the pink box here. The share price has been moving within the box. It can go up, it can go down. Whenever it is trying to come down, there are some heavy buyers, they are pushing the stock price higher. So what I found, this is a daily chart, that actually this is forming a triangle going up and down. You can see, so it is making lower highs, which is not good, at the same time higher lows. So the result is it is getting squeezed, and soon it will be at the very verge of this. So what can happen, few things can happen. It can come down and it can retest the black line here, and if the earning is terrible or any kind of bad news, it can just tank and come all the way down, or it can just reverse, it can break that particular line, the upper black line, and it can start going higher. Two things can happen. Do not be excited because the chart is still not very bullish, because you can see the run up, then it came down, and also there is no sign of going higher. It can even come down more. So few things, there is an earning we know on May 11th. Before the earning there could be some run up, because some people are thinking that Palantir has been getting lots of contracts, so maybe their earning will be good, they will have profit. So there could be some earning run up. If you want to join the run up, then definitely make some money. If you're playing with call option, then definitely get out before Monday. Other than that, some people are also thinking that earning does not matter because their CEO said that this is long-term stock. If you are looking for quarter by quarter or quick profit, then go and find some other stock. So maybe the earning will not be great. So again, if the earning is not very good, then maybe the share price can come down. So you can either play with call or put option, or run the hype before the earning, and if the earning is terrible, then you buy more share or buy a put. So if the share price comes down, but I see it is moving just within this particular band, it needs to break this particular circle, otherwise I don't see exciting things. And again, this is a long-term stock, it's not a very exciting stock, it does not move a lot in one day, so definitely keep that in mind when you are playing with this particular stock. Let's draw some support and resistance now. So first of all, clearly you can see some lines here, right? So 20, 30, $30 is the resistance for sure. And what's the next resistance after that? Something around this area, right? Around $27, I would say 27.5. you can see previously tried to break 7, this one, and again it touched many times. If you want, I can come little down, maybe it's better. 20, yeah, let's make it $27. So you see, it was trying here, tried to break it, it was a support before, and also it was some kind of resistance before. So $30 is the upper one, then we have $27. What we have after $27, I'm just coming down if you want to make some profit, right? So the other one is around 25, maybe around 25, because you see on 25.2, this line, so many candles are resting over the support. And also the last time we tried to go up, we bounced back from here. So 25.3 is another point. What about the support? So again, come back here, I'm gonna change the color, maybe I'll just make it green. So definitely, first of all, when the share price come around $20, there were some heavy buyers. You can see the long wick, so it came down and it was bought by some buyers, and you know, Cathy Wood, ARK Invest, they are buying heavily. What is the next level? You see the next level here around 21.2, some candles here, then again some daily candles here resting over here. So 21.2 is another one. And other than that, I see if you're really short term, you're playing with short term, this is the other one. You see resting here, a couple of candles resting in this area, and also I'll just zoom. So a couple of here, and also so many things are here. So the current share price is 23.1. it can come down to 22.5, and maybe it can come down all the way to $21. So keep that in mind, the support 22.5, 21.2 and 20.2, let's say. On the other side, if you are playing with the call option, or if you think it will go higher, the resistance will be around 25.3, 27 and 30. So this is how you should be playing this particular stock. It does not move a lot, so you can, if you want to make some money, maybe play with call or put option and choose a long expiry date. Other than that, if you're really long on this particular stock, whenever it comes down, grab more share. If it comes around 20, 21, definitely grab more share, because I see people are predicting it will double, it will go to $50 again. And don't forget, it went up to $45 before. So again, this is a long-term hold, but it will go. Other than that, if there is any kind of run up from 23, it can go to 25 or 27. I see 27 because it's not bad. 27, we tried to break it previously, and also there were some push up. So lastly, I want to show you the 50-day and 100-day moving average. So this line, the purple line, is 50-day moving average. So currently we are below the 50-day moving average, and you can see this 50-day moving average is acting like a resistance. So this is not a good sign, it's a bearish indicator. So whenever we break the 25, the purple line here on a daily candle I'm showing, so this is a good sign, right? And the yellow one is a 100-day simple moving average. So it's still we are below the 100-day moving average. So overall picture, this is not a great sign. So the stock is tanking, but again whenever it comes down, it is bought by some big investors. You see around 20 point, I'm just showing the 20 and $21, right? So this line is was held very well, $21. So whenever it comes to 21, grab more share, because there are some big investors, they want to buy it at $21. But the problem is, let me draw the line here while we are talking. So the thing is, you see the line here, and I'll just draw a horizontal line here so you can see the picture, right? So it is coming down, it is maintaining the base of $21, right? It is maintaining the floor of $21. At the same time, it is making lower highs. What can happen if any kind of bad news, any kind of terrible earning, if this 21 support is broken, then the share price will even go lower. Keep that in mind. And if you're long term, buy more stock or just buy some put option and make some money. So the earning can impact definitely this particular stock, or you can just bounce back and get out. So I will make more videos on Palantir, so definitely stay tuned. And if you follow Palantir, subscribe to my channel, because the more videos will be coming before the earning and also after the earning, so that we can make some money. And finally, let's look at the option. So the earning is on 11th, so I'm just looking at the monthly expiry date, which is 21st of May. The volatility is only 62%, not very expensive. Look at the open interest, how many people are waiting for 25 strike. 55,000 open interest still exists. So what does it mean? You see the premium is 72. So if we multiply 55,000 multiply with 0.71 for one contract, and when you buy, you have to buy 100. So 3.9, let's say $4 million is waiting for Palantir to break 25.7. Their strike price is 25. And why they are betting 25.7? Look at the chart, 25.3. I said this is the area, and they are looking around this area as well. So they are betting that PLTR will go up to 25.7, 25.5. Anyway, this is the strike price, 25, and the current price is 23. This is big money are waiting. Still they are very, very bullish. On the put side, it's not that much, not 55,000. You see some big numbers here as well, but this is a big number waiting here. So if you want to play call option, it depends how much you want to pay. If you want to go with the big money, then just spend $72 and wait. And if the share price goes higher, your premium will go higher, take the profit and get out. Other than that, just looking at the delta, you need to be really in the money to get a good profit. Let's say you choose a delta of 80, so $1 increase in PLTR will give you $80. So you choose the strike price of 20.5, you pay $291. So if share price goes by $1, so 290 will become 370. You sell and you get $80 profit. So this is how you can play. The volatility is not that high, or if you're not sure, I would suggest try expiry date something in August, which will give you 112 days to expire. In that case, you can come up with something like 27 if you're thinking it will go up to 27. And why I'm saying 27, you look at the chart, I was talking about 27. There is 30 also, but if you target 27, then not bad. So you can choose the $25 strike. Your premium is 2.27, so your break even is 27, and you just buy and just wait. Once it will go higher by August, you will make money. Or if you're really long term, just grab more share. Do not think about call or put. I'm not talking about put. I do not want to make this video a long one, but again, you see the floor. Whenever we will be approaching 21, or if we break 21, I will make another video with a plan for put, so that we can also make some money. So anyway, you know, my purpose of all videos are to show you the chart pattern and how we can make money, whether buying some shares or buying some call or put options. So if you think any of the information I presented in this particular video, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and have a great trading day. I'm making this video 8:30 in the morning pre-market, so hopefully I'm wishing you we will all make some money. Take care and peace.